to Southern Ways with Felicia. So we are almost at the end of June, and you know I could not let this month go by without doing an unboxing from Redbird Vintage. So my package actually came on Saturday, and I'm looking forward to sharing with you what Karen and Sarah curated for me. Before opening my box, I would like to share with you, if you're not familiar with Redbird Vintage, that it is actually a business started by two sisters, Karen and Sarah, and most of the clothing are vintage items as well as the accessories, and I actually have the Lorraine box, which includes clothing and accessories. So if you're interested, I recommend that you check out their website page as well as their Instagram. And if you decide to order from them, please use Felicia10 so that you can get 10% off your first subscription. So let's get right into it. Oh, before I open, I gotta tell you this. Do you notice my earbuds and my necklace? These are from my May subscription, and I actually wore this ensemble today with my pink outfit. So look at these goodies. So if you love vintage jewelry, I'm telling you, you're gonna want to sign up and be a part of what's going on at Redbird Vintage. Okay, so I have my cute little flare item here. Trying to figure out, is this an earring? Oh, it is actually, no, it's actually something that I could wear like over a scarf. It's a flower with a pearl in the center, and I love pearls, so love my flare item. So this is the card that Karen and Sarah always provide with the box, and I will read this later. And I will start with my little House on the Prairie pouch here that always has goodies in it, such as jewelry. What lady does not love jewelry? So this beautiful brooch I actually requested, and it is gold. It has dainty little pearls in it and rubies, and has these beautiful blue cabochons. And in the back it actually has a clasp that I can actually wear it on like a necklace. So I'm gonna get plenty of wear out of this beautiful piece. Beautiful brooch. Oh my goodness. I'm trying to remember if I requested these. I'm not sure if I did. I probably did. But these, actually, I might be able to get away with wearing them with my new brooch, but they are gorgeous. Oh, I have to try these on. I'm just gonna try on one. It's beautiful. Blue earrings. They have dark blue, iridescent, light blue. These are beautiful. Guess I need to put my own earbud back on. Ooh, I racked up on earrings. These are gorgeous. Oh my goodness. They have like a flower motif on it. And they match what I have on. I could wear these right now. These are beautiful. I am really loving all of my jewelry pieces. And then I have one more item. Oh, I did request this, and I only wanted it if it was made out of glass. and it is, and you cannot see it, but when we do a close-up you will. It has my initials, which is M for my last name, and this is beautiful, and I'm sure this will reflect so well. And I like that it hangs. Beautiful piece, just lovely. Okay, so that was my jewelry. So let's see what we have in here. Okay, you know I love my pencil skirts, so I have this beautiful linen pencil skirt. It's actually in like a beige with a little bit of white showing through. Cannot wait to wear that. Oh, I love the skirt. And this one will actually match my earrings. Another beautiful skirt. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at this beautiful dress. Oh, baby blue is so pretty. This reminds me of something that Miss Helen would wear, well, Miss Crump, on the Annie Griffin show, the teacher. And my last item, let's see what this is. This is a handbag with a scarf. Oh, look here. This is so cute. That's Jean Terry's. It's a beautiful little handbag. The scarf. I love it. It actually matches what I have on today as well. I love all of my pieces. This purse is so cute. And I love the scarf. So these are all of my items from Redbird Vintage. So did you enjoy the overview of all the pretties that I received in my box? Well, now it's time for me to try on that little blue number that reminds me of Miss Crump and see how it looks. So I love this color blue, this baby blue, and it goes perfect with my medallion M initial necklace and my beautiful blue ear bobs. It's a little big in the back, but of course my seamstress can take care of that. But overall, I love it because I love that this dress, it goes past my knees. So, all I need now is my pocketbook. Well, I have my purse. My outfit is complete. Thank you, Redbird Vintage, for all the wonderful things that I received in my box. And if you like what I received, again, don't forget to order you a subscription. Use Felicia10 for 10% off. If you like this video, please like, comment what your favorite item was that I received, and don't forget to subscribe.